Salutations! This video is part 1 of 2. Eric will be doing a hard prune and cutting the top off of a Brazilian rain tree that had been planted in the land about 15 years ago. The Brazilian rain trees are favored for their compound leaves and the zigzag motions in which the branches grow, as you can see here. Also, the bark on these trees peel off as they are happy and growing. Did you know that they flower? And they have a mild scent as well. Super cute. For 15 years, this tree has just been freely growing without any styling or pruning. It'll be going through a makeover. The top of the tree will be pruned off and it'll be able to form a new apex. A fresh start. It's a good thing he has long sleeves, long pants, and gloves on because the Brazilian rain tree has thorns and those things can really hurt. Got a large mound here for the burn pile. Now we can see the trunk. This side of the tree had so much lichen on it. I don't think I've ever seen something like that before, but pretty cool. Also, we found out that the tree had some carpenter ants, so that was fun. You can see the larvae just falling out. And the ants running wild. Lots of branches for the burn pile. Stay tuned for part 2 and follow us for more.